You know, I love embroidering by this window. The forest outside, the needle in my hands, such peace. In the class, I will just show you how I do it, stitch by stitch. Don't worry if you have never held a needle. I started just like that. I will show you everything clearly, from the first knot to the last 10 stitch. Want to do the same? The class has all my secrets, which threads to pick, how to avoid tangled stitches, and why French knots are not scary, promise. It's not a super course, it's just me, the forest, and a lot of honest embroidery. Join in, it will be cozy.